Feeling overwhelmed by your never-ending to-do list? Let's conquer it with the power of time blocking in Asana. First, let's open Asana and choose the project where you want to implement time blocking. I will be using the marketing campaign project for this video. Think of your Asana tasks as puzzle pieces for a productive day. Now, to create a custom field, click Customize, then Add Field, choose drop-down, name it Time Block, and add your preferred time slots, such as morning, afternoon, and evening. You can even include focus time or meetings. Press Create Field when done. Then, assign each task to its corresponding time block by selecting an option for your task in the drop-down. Now, sort the project by this new field. Just click the time block field title, and Asana will neatly organize your tasks by your allocated time slots, creating a clear roadmap for your day. For a visual overview, switch to the calendar view. You can drag and drop tasks to reschedule them, ensuring your calendar perfectly reflects your time blocks. This allows you to see the planned tasks for each time block. Now that you are time blocking, get ready to experience heightened focus and increased productivity. You will find that you are more productive and will get more done by using this method.